Welcome! In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to make your home location visible to everyone on Facebook using the latest update on your PC. If you want to let friends, family, or even new connections know where you're from, this step-by-step guide will help you do it quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you straight to your personal Facebook profile. Now that you're on your profile page, the next step is to access your account details. Look for the About section. It's usually right below your cover photo or listed in the menu options on your profile. Click on About to enter the section where all your personal information is stored. Inside the About section, you'll see several categories. What you're looking for is the Overview tab. This is where your key details, including your home location, are displayed. Scroll down until you find your home location listed. Next to your home location, you'll notice a small audience icon. This icon controls who can see this information on your profile. Click on the audience icon and a list of privacy options will appear. From these options, select Public. This setting will make your home location visible to everyone, not just your friends or specific groups. After you've chosen Public, don't forget to click Done to save your changes. And that's it. Your home location is now set to public and can be seen by anyone who visits your profile. This is a great way to share a bit more about yourself and connect with people from your hometown or those interested in your area. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out more tips on getting the most from your social media accounts. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.